Hello, and welcome to today's HR Daily Advisor webcast. We want to thank you for joining us for today's program, Key Principles of Performance Management Transformation, sponsored by Halogen Software. Before we get started, we just need to go over a few housekeeping items so we can get you familiar with the platform. If you take a look at the bottom of your audience console, you will find the dashboard where there are several widgets for you to use. Each of these widgets can be resized or moved around throughout the presentation. There will be a live Q&A at the end of this webcast, so feel free to submit your questions using the Q&A widget throughout the presentation. We will try to answer as many questions as we can, but please be aware that if a fuller answer is needed or if we run out of time, your questions will be answered later via email. If you wish to obtain a copy of today's slide deck, click on the Resource List widget. It looks like a green folder at the bottom of your screen. If you have any technical difficulty, please click on the Help widget. It has a question mark icon and covers common technical issues. If your technical issue does not resolve, please enter a question into the Q&A widget, and our team will gladly assist you. So let's get started by introducing today's guest speakers. Here with us today, we have Holly Kane and Evelyn Wantz. A seasoned expert with 15 years of product development and product management experience in the software market, Holly Kane is highly skilled at identifying, creating, and delivering solutions that meet customers' wants and needs. Holly has been with Halogen since 2009. Evelyn is a creative, energetic, results-focused marketing professional with over 15 years of experience in the software industry. She recently joined Halogen in 2014 as the Product and Solutions Marketing Manager. Take a look at the speaker bio widget if you wish to know a little bit more about today's speakers. And with that, we will welcome everyone to today's presentation.
Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to say it seems like Evelyn's bio is a little more exciting than mine. So we'll see what we can do this afternoon.
All right. Well, that's the best introduction I've had. Well, welcome, everyone. We have a ton of information we want to share with you today. Both Holly and I have pretty excited about this. So let's get started. We want to give you a brief overview of what we're hoping to make sure we can cover. But again, there's going to be questions throughout, so feel free at any time to type those into the panel, and we'll make sure that we have an opportunity at the end to address any questions and help you guys find the information that you're looking for. What we're going to start with is so I don't want to say the bad news, but really it's what's wrong with the same, the traditional approaches that's been going on. And we'll take a quick look kind of at what other companies are how they're taking an approach to it, and what some of the trends are. And then what we'd really like to dive into is, and Holly's going to lead a lot of this discussion, is what are those key principles? So we say that something's broken, and here's what we can do differently, but how do you get there? What are those key components if you're going to really reinvent your performance to get better results? And then the part that's often missing is, well, that's great. I know I need to do something, but how do I get there? So we're going to talk about really that transition and some of the things you need to consider before you start tinkering with something, just making sure that you're going to do what needs to get done properly. And of course, ask us anything. So we're going to have some time at the end to talk to us, because again, we've worked with companies, tons of companies who are going through some of the same things that you're going through. So quite often you're not alone. Right? You're not alone. Everyone's feeling some of the same pain, so we can help you talk through some of the ways that you can deal with that.